So this piece of artwork is inspired by the SEMHAC theme for our event this year, Unity in the Community. And I sat with that for a little while. I oftentimes can't sleep, and I just think about things. So you close your eyes and you think, what is unity in the community, and what physical things do you see when you think about unity and community? And specifically in our community, in community of people living with HIV, in the community of those who are supporting and loving people living with HIV, in the LGBTQ community, and what does that look like? So then I asked SEMHAC those exact same questions, and I got a lot of feedback, and I combined their feedback with what I had thought of and dreamt of, and there was a lot of really good feedback, but a lot of things were around like hands holding, and we've seen that a lot. So I was like, how can I express the beautiful diversity of our community in a way that shows unity? And so that's when I came to the faces, because how can you can see so much diversity in different people's faces, in skin tone, in eyes, in tattoos, in hairdos, in ways that we choose to put makeup on, all those different things. And then, of course, the ribbon is something that, the red ribbon is something that we all know and attribute to AIDS and HIV and to what we're working for, the community that we're working for. And so here we are. We've got our diversity in our community, but we're unified as one beautiful community in that ribbon.